Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a 2012 Harley FLHX Street Glide. I'm doing it in my garage with just minimal tools, and most anybody could probably do this. So let's get to it. The first thing you want to do, start it up, let it run for about 5 minutes. That way the oil is nice and warm and it drains out easily. After the engine's warm, go find your oil pan. Now notice the oil pans that you use on your car are not probably going to work because they're too high. They just won't slide under there. So you can do what I do. Go ask your wife to borrow a pan. Don't tell her what you're going to use it for. Most of them should slide in there and fit all the oil. First thing I did when I changed the oil on a Harley is drop the transmission side out. So make sure you don't do this. The drain plug is right underneath the motor on the left hand side of the bike. Right here. Grab you a 5/8 inch socket and you can pull that out. Now if you open or unscrew the dipstick, it'll relieve the pressure. That oil will come out of there a little faster. Now this is a fairly new bike. If you can see here on the magnet on the plug, there's a little bit of collection of metal. It's probably normal for a new bike. If you see a lot of it, you might send your oil to get it in, get it tested, see what's going on. Now Harley's got this filter all pinched in there between the oil cooler and the jug. I tried several different filter wrenches and I couldn't get it loose. It was pretty dang tight, so what I had to do, stab it with the screwdriver. And then twist it down, get it loose. Always rub a little oil on the new filter on the seal so the next guy don't have such a hard time getting it off. Finger tight's plenty good for me. By now all the oil should be drained out of the oil pan. Make sure your drain plug is all cleaned off. Get all them metal filings, stuff cleaned off the magnet. Go ahead and pop that back in. Don't forget to do this step before you put your oil. Tighten that plug back up. Whatever you do, don't over tighten it. Next step, you get your funnel, put 3 quarts of oil in, and then check it. You'll probably have to add another ½ quart to get the dipstick to read full. Took exactly 3½ quarts. I put 3 in it, fired it up, watched the oil pressure come up. Then I added another ½ quart.